News that's coming in, there has been a very close shave for passengers who were travelling inside the Sabarmati Express. Sabarmati Express has got derailed near Kanpur in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Derailment took place at about 2:35 a.m. 22 bogies of the Sabarmati Express have been derailed. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens are coming in from Kanpur in the state of Uttar Pradesh. No casualties have been reported with regards to this incident so far. The engine hit an object that was on the track and then it led to the derailment of 22 bogies. Train was en route to Ahmedabad from Varanasi. Visuals that you see on your screens are coming in from Kanpur in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Let's listen into reactions coming in on the story.
बच गई गाड़ी,
पलटते बच गई,
पटरी पलट गई है।
पहिए उतर गए।
हाँ जी, पूरी
हादसा होने से बच गया।
बहुत कम से कम 30-40 डब्बे हैं सर, 20-30 इधर तो पूरा एकदम जो है कि उतर गए पाटा पर से।
Track last night. Right now I'm present at the spot and you can see in the visuals this is the train Sabarmati Express which was going from Varanasi to Ahmedabad, and if you can see closely in the visuals, these are the tires of the train which has been derailed from the track, and you can see in the visuals more than 20 coaches have been derailed, and now the local administration is doing the rescue work and managing the operation. You can see that there are a lot of JCBs and bulldozers which have been brought just to make way for the people and for the rescue team to come here and actually manage this whole operation. What we are being told, there's just 500 meters ahead there is a station, because of which the speed of the train was less, and if there was no station the speed would have been higher, and the impact of the accident would have been much worse. You can see in the visuals that the RPF have been deployed here, and the rescue work and the whole operation is going on. They're trying to make way for the train to pass from the another track. These are also one of the interesting visuals. You can see the impact was such that the barbed wires and the iron wires which were installed inside the rocks were in fact pulled out. This is the situation on the ground. What we are being told that 22 is the figure of the coaches which have been derailed. Although no death have been reported and no injuries have been reported, which were serious in nature. Now the big question is why this incident happened. What we are being told by our sources in the local administration is that there was a big rock or the block which was in fact in front of the train. Now this is a matter of investigation, and it remains to be seen that what will the official report of this train accident will have to reveal. With video journalist Shivam Shukla, this is Simar Chawla in Kanpur for India Today.